Now, let me briefly explain why this VitroMan XP gel is so effective for our manhood. VitroMan Formula XP. This exclusive product for men is made from the rare and natural plant Black Quail Crua, Mucuna colletii. It is combined with other pure plant essences to provide care and nourishment for the penis skin. The product introduces a comprehensive concept of male penis care, going beyond simple health maintenance and achieving overall care, health, protection, and maintenance. It has excellent penetration power, quickly reaching the layers of the penis skin and ensuring that the active ingredients penetrate every cell of the penis subcutaneous tissue. This allows the subcutaneous cells to rapidly absorb all the nutrients and trace elements, enhancing connective tissues and making the penis skin healthier. Herbal ingredients in VitroMan Formula XP. It is made from a 20% extract of Black Quail Crua, which is originally from Thailand. Only Thailand produces this type of herb. It can be used in conjunction with VitroMan oral preparations for better results. The powerful benefits of VitroMan Formula XP gel helps with morning erections and frequency of erections, and strengthens erection duration. Enhances the power, length, hardness, and fullness of erections. Promotes the growth and strengthening of muscle connective tissues for increased stamina. Improves penile blood circulation, boosts energy levels, and enhances ejaculation quality. Why do I recommend VitroMan Formula XP? VitroMan is a trusted brand with over 14 years of market experience in Singapore, offering a wide range of male health products. This gel stands out with the highest quality herbal extracts, suitable for men of all ages. Recognized as the outstanding gold medal product in the Asia-Pacific region, it is made from pure and uncontaminated ingredients, ensuring strict quality control. The difference between VitroMan Formula XP and other massage oils. Unique transdermal absorption breaks through traditional oral administration. Convenient and comfortable to use, it doesn't stick to body hair or stain skin and clothing, allowing for a normal work and lifestyle routine. A purely natural plant product is suitable for all skin types, just like a long-term lubricant. Contains 20% essence of Black Quail Crua, known for its excellent quality and pleasant fragrance without being greasy. Introduces a comprehensive concept of male care, going beyond traditional health maintenance to provide all-around nurturing and protection. Hormone-free and stimulant-free, it has no side effects and is smoothly absorbed. The main ingredient matrix includes water-soluble macromolecules as penetration enhancers, aiding absorption and skin penetration. The best supplementary source for the male reproductive system, serving as a daily maintenance product for men to care for their manhood. Directly activates and supports the ligaments and nerves responsible for erections, enhances blood flow to the spongy tissues, and reduces blood backflow. This is just the beginning. If you truly desire to change your situation and bring endless pleasure to your partner, it's time to make a commitment. Use VitroMan products every day, and let your manhood become unstoppable. But remember, every individual is unique, and results may vary. It's important to approach penis massage with realistic expectations and prioritize your overall well-being. If you have any concerns or questions, consulting a healthcare professional is always recommended.